Hello everyone and welcome to a new series here on Michelle Kitia Vlogs. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to check out our condo unit vlog which has already been sold. Yay! Finally. And I will be walking you through everything that I did to make it look better, to fix it, all the things that I did myself, my DIYs. And hopefully you learn some tips on how to prepare your property which is for sale so that it will be more appealing to the buyers. And if you've already seen that vlog of the condo that I sold, I actually prepared it aesthetically. Every room in the condo unit was prepared aesthetically by yours truly. So to be able to sell a property right away, you will need to really prepare how the interior looks so that it will attract buyers. And that's what happened. We moved out of the condo last September and it was sold right away by November. See how fast that was? So yeah, if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below because it really supports my channel. And today we will be cleaning our refrigerator and I will be painting the bathroom, which I did myself again. And as you might have noticed, I glammed up myself and this is how my hair looks upon waking up. And I decided, why not show the natural me? Why not show how my hair naturally looks once I wake up? So here it is. Comment down below if you have tips on how I can care for my curls, because I take a bath once a day and I also use a curls shampoo to care for it, but still it's dry because of the constant rebonding that I did years ago. And few years back I decided to why not embrace the natural curls that I have. And I mentioned this because the following videos will be my face without makeup. So without further ado, let's proceed to the video. We are in our toilet right now and I am about to paint the walls and the ceiling of our bathroom because this condo unit is now for sale and I need to do whatever I can to renovate it at the cheapest. So join me. I am not glammed up today because I don't care. Basta magtatrabaho tayo. We will work on this alone. So let's go. I am starting with just half of the toilet. Tapos, tsaka na ako mag-work palabas para hindi maubos yung araw ko for this entire bathroom. So, yung half lang muna and then the other half sa susunod na araw. Kaya kapag nagpipintura, dapat yung pinakapangit mong damit yung susuotin mo para okay lang matalsikan. By the way, the brand of the paint that I am using is Boysen. It's a semi-gloss paint. Name of the color is Bridal White. It is a bit yellowish in color. And since the ceiling is a popcorn type, it's just okay to dab the color on it. Kahit hindi perfect, kasi hindi naman perfect yung ceiling. Actually, popcorn ceilings are done to hide imperfections. Imagine, since 2013 pa kami nakatira dito, and this is the first time ever that I am repainting this CR. So, yan, naguhugas lang ako. Napakadaling tanggalin sa kamay. There you go, guys. It's not perfect, I know. Pero pwede na, di ba? Yan. And I know that the ceiling looks really imperfect, but it really doesn't show in person. The paint is still wet, so let's see. If this needed to be painted more, then I will do it. So, I'll show you the after results. Grabe, nakakapagod. May sinampay pa ako sa taas gabi na. Kunin ko muna yung sinampay ko. My gosh. So tiring.
Tomorrow for sure.
Wow! I'm done with the popcorn ceiling. At last, there are no blotches of unpainted ceiling anymore. Good job to myself. Good job.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
The following Thursday.
And today we are cleaning the refrigerator. Let's go. This is what we are gonna be dealing with today. This is the freezer, the EOE freezer, and the refrigerator. Sana natin, baho. This is almost brand new, guys. So, as proof to that, meron pa siyang wrap here. It still has a anti-scratch wrap over here. See? Let's remove this together. Tada! Oh, diba? So, sa bagong bibili nitong condo, this refrigerator is almost new. Alright, we're done with the meat case. Let's proceed to the other stuff inside the freezer. Yung soft sponge yung gagamitin natin dito para hindi mag-scratch. This is the dirtiest part of the refrigerator because of the meat that has rotten itself inside the refrigerator. Kalimutan ko magdala ng apron eh. But usually I wear an apron whenever I do household chores. But it's okay. We will also use a toothbrush for the inside parts. The hard to reach areas. Wala, malinis na malinis. Talaga nag-apron ako. Let's just work with this carefully instead para hindi tayo matalsikan. Alright, we're done with the cover. Place this over here like so. O diba, hindi pa tayo tapos. Nagpupunas na agad tayo ng lababo. That is how meticulous I am in cleaning. Let's get a piece of plastic where we can throw away this food waste. We got one. This is for the food waste. And by the way, guys, it's 6:18 in the morning. It's still... Oh, it's the 1st of October, 2024. So by the time this video is up, I think it's gonna be November. That's how lazy I am nowadays in vlogging. I opted to do more household chores instead of editing my vlogs. After all, vlogging is just a recreational thing for me. Clean our hands. Inisan nga rin natin itong lababo. Kasi yung food waste, very madumi. It's the stinkiest part, the meat case. Kaya we need to soak everything down before proceeding to the next containers. Dapat disinfected muna tong ating soiled food area because we want everything thoroughly cleaned. We're just taking it nice and slow with this cleaning thing while you guys will go in a time lapse. This is what is up in our freezer, guys. So this has a filter inside and it can be removed. There's a screw inside, so I can remove this entire thing, but I don't have a screwdriver as of now. This one as well. I will be cleaning this up entirely tomorrow because we need to remove this thing so that we can really deep clean the entire thing by removing this one and this too. So that's going to be tomorrow. We'll be finishing this fridge up tomorrow. Malamang November or December na to lalabas. Or baka 2025 na to ma-publish sa YouTube ko. I don't know. Boil.
Wow.
Hindi pa siya thoroughly clean kasi i-open ko pa tong AG filter inside na to eh. Ito talaga ang ano ko guys, passion ko. I'm a domestic princess. Doing household chores is my passion. I'm leaving everything here overnight para totally dry sila. No need to wipe everything down. Just air dry everything. And tomorrow is gonna be a new day of cleaning the fridge. Our Panasonic Eco Navi inverter. And Panasonic. This one is, I just stick this here para sa drying towel, which is very useful. And dyan lang yan kasi walang sabitan eh. Where should I put the drying towel, right?
The next morning.
Good morning, YouTube. It's the next day and I'm still wearing the same clothes because why not? I changed into a comfortable clothing and we have here right now a hand towel at last. These are the inside accessories of the freezer and they are all dried up already, and we have here a disinfectant and a Lysol molds remover just in case. We also have a screwdriver and a chair. So let's check out what's inside our freezer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we will try to open this filter inside. There is no surprise inside. It's just a little dusty. And we have a fan over here. That's about it. We will just be sanitizing everything. Here are the accessories under the refrigerator. We have our vegetable drawer, egg tray, and all of the trays inside totally cleaned. I'm just air drying everything, and then we will proceed to the next part of the refrigerator. We're done at last, guys. At long last. The time lapse went on so fast, but I did this very slow and it took me 2 hours again. And now this is our newly deep cleaned Panasonic EcoNavi inverter refrigerator in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Ta-da! Everything looks good as new, as if the refrigerator wasn't used. These are the ice drawers, ice twister, like so. That's it. That's it for this vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. That is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye!